huge round of Prime Minister Mr. Lee Hsien-loong. And we now also invite all our invited guests to proceed to the warehouse for a reception, okay?
Once again, everybody, a big round of applause for all our VIPs!
Leo and Nani!
Hello! Hi Leo, hi Merlin! Well, ladies and gentlemen, don't go anywhere just yet because the party is not over. In fact, it has just begun. So Singapore, tell me, are you ready to party? Oh geez, I think they are. So why don't you tell me what's coming up next?
Well, we do have something exciting happening in a while. That's right, we've got lots of things coming up, but before we get to that, we'd love to thank all our sponsors, the marketing partners, and performers, participants, ladies and gentlemen, you guys as well for making this event such a great success. But as we mentioned, it's not over yet. The fireworks are still going and the party's just about to begin.
That's right, just about to begin.
Absolutely. As you can see, it's all still going on. I hope you've been enjoying yourself this evening, and up till now, with our booths, with the activities this afternoon, with all of the events unveiled, including our lovely workforce in their uniforms on stage. Let's give it up for them once more. Woohoo! Thank you so much. Thank you, workforce.
Thank you for being with us here today. Once again, everybody, this will be the official workforce attire for the Singapore Youth Olympic Games happening from the 14th to the 26th of August. We are now only 98 days away from that day.
I'd also like to thank our performers.
Thank you, everybody. You look good.